A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flower. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jar. K for kiwi. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Thank you. Please subscribe.